Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be testing and reviewing a indie palette. So this is the Give Me Glow Cosmetics Vivid Rose palette. Now this palette is absolutely huge and the pan sizes are as well. So this is like right up my alley. Pinks, I love pinks, and there's some purples thrown in there, so I absolutely love this. So I bought this palette on the Give Me Glow website on the Black Friday event that they did. This palette wasn't on sale because it was like a brand new release. They had this one and then they had a £6 palette. I wasn't kind of interested in that one because it was just more neutrals and I already have that kind of thing. So I picked this one up and this was £45. It wasn't cheap, but you get a lot of product in this. So, you know, if you spent £45 on, you know, something else, I don't think you get as much pan size, and the quality is hopefully like a lot better. And also this is an indie brand, so obviously it's going to cost a little bit more. So at the same time I bought two other palettes. Now these are $26.80 and these were on sale. So I bought the Vintage Rose palette. Can you tell there's like a theme going on with rose because I love pinks. So this is the palette. So it's a bit smaller, but you also get like the greens in here as well. And I got the Christmas Morning palette. Now this one's always going in and out of stock because it's a very popular palette. So it's just like reds and greens and a couple of neutrals in there. So another really pretty palette. So Give Me Glow do ship to the UK, but I always use like a shipping forwarding service pretty much because I always buy like a lot of my makeup from America, so it makes sense to me to send them all to like one place and then bundle everything together and then send it on to me. So if anyone's interested, I'll pop some like links in the description boxes of like the shipping forwarding service I use. So I think there's like some money off or something like that. So yeah, that's what I do. So like they do ship to the UK, but it doesn't make any sense for me to ship so many individual parcels when I can just bundle them all and send them all together. Okay, so I've got my magic clippies in my hair, which are supposed to not like kink your hair or anything. These are just from Primark, and I've done my base. I'm using a white base today, so I'm actually using another indie brand product. So this is the Playing in Makeup by Lando eyeshadow foundation base. So it just looks like this. It's very shiny. This is in the shade 0A, so this is like a white base and it's very similar to the P. Louise base. So I actually picked this one up because I was buying a palette by Playing in Makeup by Yolando. I always like struggle to say the full name. So I bought that at the same time because I kept seeing this palette all over like Instagram and I was like, oh, I really want to try this, and then it was on sale. So it's called the Jamrock palette, and look at how pretty this palette is. So, you know, I'm really getting into indie brands at the moment. If you'd like to see like a video or something with this, let me know. I'm just not sure if anyone would watch it because it's such a, you know, it's a smaller indie brand. So yeah, if you're in the UK, it would probably make more sense for you to buy the P. Louise one because it's a lot more accessible. But if you are, you know, in the US, or if you're already buying like a palette from their website, you know, you could always pick it up. But this is my first time trying this base yet, so I have noticed a little bit of a smell to it. It's more like a, like, I don't want to say a chemically smell, but it doesn't, you know, it doesn't smell of like anything nice like fragrance or anything. The P. Louise base doesn't smell at all. So yeah, this is just my first time trying this base, so, you know, I haven't formed an opinion of it yet. One thing I definitely got to say about this palette is I love the fact that you can bend it all back and just hold it like this, because it's so much easier for me. Like, you know, you don't need to cover up the mirror. You can just say, oh hey, I'm using this shade, this shade, this shade now. So I'm going to go in with a lighter shade first. I'm going to go in with He Loves Me Not and just put that one in the crease. like a lot of the blending just because it's taking me like ages to blend at the moment, so you know, just being like a mission. So I'm gonna go in with this darker shade here now. So this is Talk Dirt to Me, and I'm just gonna put that tighter in the crease. That's the Talk Dirt shade on, and I think it's looking like quite nice at the moment. I'm really favouring like a bit of a grungy look. So I want to put something dark in, and I'm going to go with He Loves Me Not, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer sides of my eye to really make that halo kind of look. The He Loves Me Not shade on the outer part of the eye. It's starting to look really grungy now, and that is the first shade that I have used so far that has fallout in, so you know, we're doing quite well. So only 1 out of 3 has had some fallout. So originally I wanted to use like this shade, like these of the palette, you know, and this really nice pink, but I've started to use like these shades, you know. It's not originally where I wanted to go with this palette, but I'm assuming, or I think anyway, that you can go so many places with this palette. Like you can do really bright colours, you can do more grungy colours, you could do like more of a smoky kind of lid with all this purple on. So I think, you know, even though there's like only what, 10 shades, you can still get quite a few looks out of this. So like I said, I did want to use this really nice pink, but I'm actually going to go in with this purple because I think it would suit the look a little bit better, and I'm just going to put that in the middle of my eye. So I forgot to say the shade name for that one. It's actually called Petal to the Metal, and it's like a really lovely colour when it's on the eye. But I am just going to put a pop of pink on that kind of join between the dark purple and the shimmer. I'm just going to use, oh, it is literally called Pop of Pink. How cool is that? I didn't do that on purpose. So I'm just going to put that on the join. Pop of pink shade, when I put that one on my lid, it was like neon pink, so I had to you know, just soften it up a little bit and put some more of that shimmer shade on, and now it's just like a small accent. So now I'm just going to put some liner and lashes on, then we'll come back to do the lower lash line. Okay, so I have just put some liner on, and my lashes are just kind of like drying and sticking to my eyes. So while that's happening, we'll do the lower lash line. So I'm going to stick to the colour theme, and I'm going to use this Flower Power purple shade. So I've just finished up the rest of my face, and I am wearing the Too Faced Cool Girl liquid lipstick, I think it is. Yeah, liquid matte long wear lipstick. So I wanted something like darker than what I usually go for to, you know, go with like the grungy eye look. So yeah, I've really enjoyed using this palette. you know, it was really great quality. It wasn't like any of the shades let the side down. They were all really good, really pigmented, blended really well. Really enjoyed using this palette. So if you would like to see any of the other palettes, let me know, because I don't think this palette will do, or this video will do as well, because it's an indie brand. And yeah, I usually like my videos that do really well are like all revolutional, really like mainstream stuff, so I'm not sure how well this video is going to do. I'm just doing it for me really, but yeah, I've enjoyed using this palette. So yeah, that's the video today. I'm going to leave you some links and videos to watch in the description box, and I will see you again shortly. Bye!